Meaning of elocution.
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 Elocution. Elocution refers to the art of public speaking, particularly with regard to pronunciation, inflection, and gesture. A person who practices elocution aims to deliver a speech in an effective and persuasive manner that captivates the audience's attention. The result of good elocution is clear and powerful communication, which can help convey important ideas and inspire action among listeners. Elocution can be applied in various contexts, including education, politics, and entertainment, and it remains an essential skill for anyone seeking to communicate effectively with others.